Cycling is great, but uphill or long distance can be challenging and can leave one feeling depleted. So what about an e-bike instead? Rev Bikes provide affordable and reliable electric bikes and specialise in adding electric systems to existing bikes of all shapes and sizes to allow everyone to get out on their bike more. Rev Bikes offer an assortment of tailor-made e-bikes where you select the bike, the motor type and the battery. We also have our own range of integrated e-bikes such as the Revert, the Revive and the Revelo. Located opposite Nunawading train station, come and try the different systems on our demo bikes, enjoying the safe and undulating cycleway. Our friendly expert team will help you decide which system will best suit your needs. Book your test ride today.